Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today's video is how much protein to maintain 10% body fat. Now, full disclaimer before I start the video, I didn't actually have my percentages checked, but knowing my height and weight and what I know about fitness and health and what I look like in the mirror, I can tell you that I should be somewhere right around 10% body fat. I'm 6 feet tall and 168 pounds. So I'm gonna share what I ate today. I have the full macro breakdown, so I'm gonna have the details on that. So make sure you stick through the video to see exactly what the numbers were for today. So as usual, I did my 11 a.m. fasted workout. I fast through the morning, just drink water, and I typically break my fast around 12 or 1 p.m. And that's exactly what I did here. And for those new to my channel, I strength train right now currently 2 days a week, and I run 2 to 3 days a week. And I typically do body weight training, so I keep it very simple, basic movements like push-ups, pull-ups, jump squats, things like that. And then again, I run a couple of days a week, and I just change the workout. So today was a strength training workout, and then the next day would be a run. So at 1 p.m. I had my first meal. This was a smoothie. So in this smoothie, I used 3 dates, 1 cup of frozen blueberries, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. I had 5 frozen ripe bananas. Now for my bananas, I freeze them with the peel on once they're nice and ripe. And then I throw them in a tub of hot water for about 4 minutes, and they defrost and they come right out the peel, and I like the consistency of that. And I also had about a cup of almond milk and a cup of coconut water. So this is a smoothie I've been making a lot lately. It's a really delicious blend. I really enjoy it. So try this one out. Let me know what you think if you haven't tried this one yet. And again, that smoothie was at 1 p.m. and it made just about a liter. Next up at 4 p.m. I had this Dole Tropical Gold pineapple, which is really delicious, and an apple. Then at 6 p.m. I made a big green salad. It had mixed greens, a tomato, avocado, apple, cucumber, and a serving of sunflower seeds. So make sure to get in a big green salad every day you can. Then at 7:30 I had what I call tofu babies over rice. It's a tofu dish I make. I had some hummus with some crackers and some green beans. Now, the tofu dish, my tofu babies, you can find that recipe in my plant-based recipe ebook in the description box. Make sure you check it out. It's a really delicious recipe that I have on a regular basis. And that was it for the day. So it came to 2,992 calories, 455 grams of net carbs, 62 grams of fiber, 89 grams of fat, and 77 grams of protein. So I'm generally getting between 50 and 80 grams of protein per day, and that's what is working for me. So thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Subscribe for more videos. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.